all children. Today we'll be discussing the topic number of atoms in a unit cell. So you all know every crystal lattice is made up of unit cells. As in this figure, this crystal lattice is made up of 8 unit cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And every lattice point is occupied by a particle. This is one lattice point, this is another lattice point, this is another lattice point. So all these lattice points are being occupied by a particle, and this particle we consider in this as atom. To find out the number of atoms, we assume these particles as atoms. So first we'll find out the number of atoms in primitive or simple cubic unit cell. So before doing this, I'll explain you this on the basis of a 3D structure. Now suppose we have this unit cell 1. It is its corner. This corner is shared by this unit, the second unit cell 2 also. This corner is shared by these two, 1 and 2. Now again shared by the third one also. Now this is again shared by the fourth one also. So here this corner is shared by 4 unit cell. So today we are making a crystal lattice out of 8 unit cell. So these 4 we are having at the bottom layer, and next 4 will be having in the upper layer. So if these are the bottoms of the 6th unit cell, it is a corner of 7th unit cell bottom, it is a corner of 5th unit cell bottom, it is a corner, and of 8th unit cell bottom, it is a corner. So we have 5th, 6th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. So these are the bottoms of 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th unit cell. Now they also, their corners, this. These are for their corners. Now we'll put them over 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. So again they are sharing the same corner. They'll also be sharing the same corner. When placed over 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, they will also share corner 1 in this way. So all these 8 are sharing a single corner. All these 8 are sharing a single corner, that is corner 1. So on the basis of this only, I am going to explain you the number of atoms which are present in 3 types of unit cells. Now atoms only at its corner. In simple or primitive cubic unit cells, atoms are present only at its corner. Corner we have in simple cubic unit cell. Suppose 8 I am talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 only at the corners we have. Now here each atom. This is the how I made the 3D structure. 4 are present at the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 are at present at the top layer. So this middle one, first one, like I've told you earlier with the help of those structures, this corner is shared by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 unit cells. So what will be the contribution? Contribution of each atom at the corner will be equals to 1 upon 8, because 1 upon 8 plus 8 times 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8. 8 times, if we do, it comes 8 upon 8, which will be equal to 1. So contribution of each atom present at the corner. What is the contribution? 1 upon 8. So to find out the number of atoms present in a unit cell, the formula is contribution of each atom into total number of atoms. So contribution of each atom is 1 upon 8, because one corner is shared by 8. So contribution is 1 upon 8. Total number of atoms is equals to 8. So 1 upon 8 into 8 is equals to 1. So the number of atom in simple cubic unit cell is equals to 1. Now we'll move to body centered unit cell. Body centered, you all know, atoms are present at the 8 corners and one at the center of the body. So one which is present at the center of the body is common to all. So its contribution will be 1. Contribution by one body center atom is equals to 1, because it is present in the center. So next, and at the corner same. How many corners? 8 corners, and is shared between how many? 8 unit cell. Contribution will be equals to 1 upon 8 in 1 upon 8 corner. Contribution by 1 upon 8 per corner atom present on each corner is equals to 1 upon 8 into 8. That is contribution by each atom into total number of atoms. 1 upon 8 into 8 is equals to 1. So total number of atoms in BCC will be equals to 1 at the center and 8 at the corner. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. That is 1 upon 8 into 8 is equals to 1, and 1 at the center is equals to 1. Now we'll come to face centered cubic unit cell. So as you can see in the diagram also, and here also I'll show you. Suppose we have these two unit cells 1 and 2. So this face having one atom at the center is shared between two faces. So its contribution will be half for this and half for this. And how many total faces we have? We have total 6 faces. Contribution of each is half. So what will be the contribution by atoms on FCC? Is equals to half. By contribution by each atom into total number of atoms, 6 we have, 6 faces, and at the center of 6 faces we have 6 atoms. So total number of atoms 6. Contribution of each atom half is equals to 3. And again we have at the corners also. For corners it is always 1 upon 8 into 8. We have 8 corners. Contribution is 1 upon 8 per atom. It is equals to 1. So total number of atoms present in unit cell is equals to 1 plus 3. That is equals to 4. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.